हेलो फ्रेंड्स, હું છું પ્રતિક મકવાણા. એકવાર ફરીથી આપ સૌનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે અમારી YouTube ચેનલ આઇકોન એન્જિનિયરિંગ ટ્યુટોરિયલમાં. આજે આપણે સેમેસ્ટર 1 ના ઇંગ્લિશ સબ્જેક્ટના MCQ અંગે ચર્ચા કરીશું. તો લેટ્સ સ્ટાર્ટ. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1. My friend and I ખાલી જગ્યા going to the market. Option number A, I am. Question number 2. This is Sima. ખાલી જગ્યા I respect a lot. Option number A, home. Question number 3. Raja will go to Mumbai. खाली जगह train. Option number D, by train. Question number 4. The earth खाली जगह round the sun. Moves. Option number A. Question number 5. India खाली जगह won the World Cup. India has won the World Cup. Option number A. Question number 6. Which one is a social networking site? Answer is option number B, Google Chrome. Question number 7. Has anyone ever poisoned? Answer is option number B, tasted. Question number 8. Scientists much about galaxy yet. Option number B, have not learned. Question number 9. The train the station before we reach there. The train had depart. Question number 10. Look, my daughter is dancing on the stage. Question number 11. We play cricket next month. So we shall. Question number 12. For how long did told owe the speaker the amount? For 1 year. Option number A. Question number 13. She traveled along with her family. Question number 14. They will get good crop unless it rain much. વરસાદ વધારે થયો હોવા છતાં તેમને સારો પાક મેળવ્યો. Question number 15. There doctor in this team. There is doctor in this team. Question number 16. Can of you speak Pali? Can any one of you speak Pali? Question number 17. All of these two girls know German. Question number 18. It is I who is to blame. Is to blame. Question number 19. My mother is an MP. Question number 20. The uncle divided the prize between two participants. Option number A. Question number 21. Can he help you in this exam? Question number 22. Give cinema of mystery. Option number D, secret. Question number 23. In passive voice, the doer of the action become subject of the action. Question number 24. The book is on the desk. Question number 25. Shall we go out for a walk? Shall we go out for a walk? Question number 26. Navratri celebrates all over India every year. Question number 27. Moving from one place to another place is migration. Question number 28. RSI stand for repetitive stress injury. Question number 29. Give anatomies of dignity. Option number A, dishonor. Is correct spelling. Option number D, diesel. India has successfully launched asset. Question number 32. They see the site of the building. Option number A. Question number 33. The green light is on. We can go. We can go. Give synonym of sacred. Option number B, holy. मतलब के पवित्र. Sacred નો मतलब થશે પવિત્ર. Question number 35. I have a friend who is fonding of a traveling. Question number 36. Khaljikya is a way of addressing the recipient of the letter. Sender address. Question number 37. Give one word for a person who tries to gain unauthorized access. It is called hacker. Question number 38. What is the way to respond when someone says to sorry to you? Option number D. None of the above. Question number 39. Internet banking is becoming slowly popular because it's convenient. It's convenient. Question number 40. Mr. Shah has been working in this school since 2015. Question number 41. Each of these box weighs 30 kilograms. Question number 42. The number of lines is decreasing in Gujarat. Question number 43. The correct passive voice of we can speak English. The option is option number B. English can be spoken by us. Question number 44. Give correct alternative of during rush hour. Rush hour નો વિરુદ્ધાર્થી. તેનો મતલબ થશે free time. Question number 45. ખાલી જગ્યા of the letter may have at least 2 or more paragraph. Body. 46. He comes from a university. Option number A. 47. Is there ખાલી જગ્યા oil in the lamp? Is there any? Question mark માટે any વપરાશે. Question number 48. Rohan sit beside the class teacher. Option number B. Question number 49. The plural of fishes. Option number A. Question number 50. A popular trend that attracts to growing support is called bandwagon. ટોળાને અનુસરનાર. Question number 51. The author of the story My Lost Dollar is written by Stephen Leacock. मतलब कि My Lost Dollar story ना लेखक कौन છે? तो Stephen Leacock नाम છે. Question number 52. My mother decided to take me and my brother to the theater. Option number B. Question number 53. Change the voice. She sings a song. A song is sung by her. Option number B. A song is sung by her. Question number 54. 3 Idiot is directed by Raju Hirani. Question number 55. Question number 58. ખાલી જગ્યા you ever ખાલી જગ્યા to France. આ question માં ભૂલ છે. અહીંયા B ને નહીં આવે. અહીંયા C ના આવશે. Have you ever seen to France? Question number 56. What is the time into your watch? કોઈ વસ્તુની અંદર કોઈ ક્રિયા ચાલતી હોય તો તે દર્શાવવા માટે into. Question number 57. He caught the bus. ખાલી જગ્યા he had walked very fast. તેણે બસ પકડી કારણ કે તે ઝડપથી ચાલતો હતો. તો કારણ દર્શાવવા માટે because. Question number 58. Where had Das confirmed the cobra? કે ભાઈ જે દાસ હતો તેને કોબ્રા સાપ હતો તે ક્યાં કન્ફર્મ કર્યો? તો વોટર પોટમાં, પાણીના ઘડામાં. Question number 59. Neither the cars nor the scooter is sold. Question number 60. ખાલી જગ્યા is a correct spelling. Accommodation. Option number B. ખાલી જગ્યા is a cybercrime. Question number 61. Hacking of email account. Option number A. Hacking of email account is a cybercrime. Question number 62. A Mumbai local halts at a station for about 20 seconds. કે મુંબઈ સ્ટેશનની જે ટ્રેન્સ છે સ્ટેશન પર કેટલા સમય રોકાય છે? તો 20 seconds. Question number 63. If we want to know the course offered by the college, we write an inquiry letter. પૂછપરછનો પત્ર લખવો જોઈએ. Question number 64. A letter is incomplete and worthless without signature. સહી વિનાનો પત્ર હંમેશા અધૂરો ગણવામાં આવશે. Question number 65. Siesta means બપોરની ઊંઘને શું કહેવામાં આવશે? Siesta મતલબ કે ઓપ્શન નંબર સી a midday rest or nap એને nap પણ કહેવામાં આવશે. Question number 66. Who announced the entry of the cobra into the compound? કે જે ભાઈ કમ્પાઉન્ડ હતું એમાં કોબ્રા સાપના આવવાની ખબર સૌપ્રથમ કોણે આપી? સાયકલ સવારે આપી હતી, તો સાયકલિસ્ટ ઓપ્શન નંબર ડી. Question number 67. When the speaker met Todd over dinner, he was talking about pollen. Option number C. Question number 68. In India, marriages are believed to be sacred unions. કે ભારત દેશમાં જે લગ્ન છે તેને શું ગણવામાં આવે છે? પવિત્ર બંધન ગણવામાં આવે છે. Question number 69. Dabbawalas work with precision and speed. Question number 70. How old is Shaz? Option number B. 9 years. Shaz કેટલા વર્ષનો હતો? 9 વર્ષનો હતો. I hope મિત્રો તમને ઇંગ્લિશના MCQ તમારી આવનારી એક્ઝામમાં ખૂબ જ ઉપયોગી સાબિત થાય અને આવનારી તમામ માહિતી માટે અમારી YouTube ચેનલ આઇકોન એન્જિનિયરિંગ ટ્યુટોરિયલને લાઈક, કોમેન્ટ અને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરવા વિનંતી. થેન્ક યુ.